morning. It's still winter wonderland here in Romania, but I think it will be kind of the end of the winter. Yesterday we had like 4 degrees plus and it rained last night, so that's not great. But we have other great news. So last time I showed you the Alpha 9 that we made. I told back then I called it the Schabloon. I got some comments that it's called template. So we use the template. We have an orange top, white bottom, and we have a little thing here to tweak, because here we put it our spray spit or spray support for it, so we can turn it around the bike. So it's still early morning, it's 6 o'clock, people are coming in still. So here we have it. So today we start with assembly, and that's gonna take a couple of days. So that will take a couple of days. Probably we will meet some things which we didn't foresee. So I think have a little bit patience still. I hope in March we have at a couple of dealers already a test bike. But yeah, we need to take our time. I don't want to rush it. Of course, I want to make you happy and have already quickly Alpha 9s and M9s at the dealership, and you can go there. But I don't want to rush it, so it takes a while. But we try to do our best. See you next time. Bye bye. If you came all the way here, you might like our content. You could really help us out with subscribing, put the notifications on, let a comment behind what you want to see next time.